How to save Instagram draft reels in gallery without posting them. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Instagram application. Once you check that, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the plus button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the top you will see draft option. Simply tap on it. Once you go through the draft, you will see all of your draft reels that you have in your Instagram application. Choose a reel that you want to save and then there you will see next option. Tap on it. Now from the top you will see download icon. Simply tap on it and hit on the save. Once you hit on the save, your reel will be automatically saved on your gallery. In this way, you can easily save Instagram draft reels in gallery without posting them. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.